run, don't walk, and buy yourself this amazing printer. Oh my goodness, it hooks straight to my phone. I'm able to type in everything I need to put on a sticker and then print them super, super quick. I use this for my planners for my students. I have second graders, so them writing things that their parents can understand in their planners every single night is a lot of work for them, and a lot of times parents don't understand what it says. So I also don't have the best handwriting, and I have to write in 12 planners. So this is the most amazing thing. I got this in January. I use it 5, 6, 7 times a week for all of my students, for planners, for absent folders, for other missing work things. It is a must-have, I think, in every classroom, and it's super affordable. I think I paid almost $60 for it in January, and it's currently on sale for under $40, and the labels are also super affordable. So go ahead and get yourself one of these.
All right, I'm super frustrated with this product because I've only made about 15 labels with the label tape that came with it. This is probably number 12. This is number 15, which you can't even see. So within the time of 15 labels, I haven't made any other, it said that my paper is outdated and will result in a poor printing. That I don't believe is good product, being that is the paper that they sent with the machine. Super disappointed in this product.